Okay guys, welcome to this video of today. So in this video I want to show you how you can increase the size of your banana fruit or plantain fruit. So when you come to this flower, you just have to make sure you remove all these flowers so that insect will not come to it. Just have to remove this flower. Then you come here, you can add it. If you want it to grow more taller, you tear it, you open it up, you just have to tear it, you open it up. You can use your knife, you can just use your knife, you tear it. You like, you can add more tear to it. You make sure you open it up. You just have to just use a knife and open it up so that it will give more hands. Yeah, that is what you are supposed to do. You open it up so that it will give more hands and come down. So thank you. Go to this one. You come to this one. You just remove this one. You open everything up so that more hands can be increased. So that is how you want to do so that your sucker can add more hands and come down. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.